Hey guys, today we talk about how can you disable mirror mode on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click on general here and just click here on general. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go above settings here, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to mirror mode. Click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here mirror mode disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.